Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in the daily time frame first. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have seen a sharp fall from the levels of $3.087 what they tested on November 13th, and since then we have seen a gap here when the natural gas futures started to move from the levels of $2.875 on November 16th, and since then we have seen the continuity of a bearish pressure in natural gas futures. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures continued to find stiff resistance at the levels of $2.778 during these two trading sessions on November 17th and November 18th. And here you can see on November 18th, the natural gas futures formed an exhaustive candle here, and this exhaustion was confirmed by the candle formed on November 19th. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures behaved after the announcement of weekly inventory, where an addition of 31 billion cubic feet was announced, which resulted in a sharp downward move in natural gas futures when the natural gas futures tested the levels of $2.528 on November 19th. But here you can see that on Friday how the natural gas futures showed some strength when the natural gas futures started on Friday from the levels of $2.603 and tested the highs of $2.678 and a low of $2.580 and finally closed the day at the levels of $2.661. So here I find that the natural gas futures have regained their strength once again, and I find once again the natural gas futures could start the upcoming week with a gap. But here I would like to say that I am not going to predict the future. I am just assessing the probabilities of an upcoming move on the first trading session of the upcoming week, where the natural gas futures could start the day with a gap. This gap may be a gap up or a gap down, nobody knows. So here I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming week with a gap up opening above the levels of $2.878, what could be the next move? The natural gas futures find some profit booking from these levels, but on the other side, if the natural gas futures found an opening at the same levels where they closed on Friday, we'll see the natural gas futures could remain under heavy bearish pressure. And here I find that once again the natural gas futures could try to test the levels of $2.5, where I find that this will be a double bottom for natural gas futures, because this level seems to be a strong support for natural gas futures, because here you can see that on October 8th the natural gas futures found a strong support before a rally up to the levels of $2.965 what they tested on October 12th. So here I find that if the natural gas futures find a gap down opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, the natural gas futures could try to test the levels of $2.5, from where a sharp rally could be seen during the upcoming week, where the natural gas futures once again could test the levels of $2.959 during the upcoming week. So here I find that there are some resistance for the natural gas futures in case of an upward move. Here I find that the immediate resistance can be seen at the levels of $2.721, and the second resistance can be seen at the levels of $2.8, and the third resistance will be at the levels of $2.889. Here I find that natural gas futures could remain very volatile during the upcoming week. So here I find that buying on dips above the levels of $2.5 will provide a good opportunity to go long for an immediate target up to the levels of $2.889. Here I find that the natural gas futures could try to cross this immediate level during the first two trading sessions of the upcoming week, where I find that a sustained move above the levels of $2.889 will result in a sharp upward move, where the natural gas futures could cross the psychological resistance of $3 during the upcoming week, where the natural gas futures will find the next resistance at the levels of $3.100. Here I find that currently changing weather in the US could attract natural gas bulls to go long from these levels for an immediate target of $3. where a sustained move of the levels of $3.178 will result in continuity of a bullish trend during the upcoming week, where the natural gas futures could try to test the levels of 3.4 once again. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.